Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Today I'm gonna show you how to install Steam on your PC. So yeah, let's begin. First you need to type in Steam install English and press enter. Then press this one and this one and wait and press here and open and yes and to next. And now you need to choose a language. I'm from Denmark, so I'm gonna choose Danish. Now you need to save the Steam files on your computer, so yeah, just pick a place on your computer and press install. And then you need to wait and finish. And now it needs to update. And now Steam is downloaded, you need to log in. If you don't have an account, you need to create a new one here. And then you need to type in your email address and yeah, just do that. Yeah, I hope you could use this video to get some help. Yeah, see you in the next vid.